Welcome to my channel. What if learning just a few daily English sentences could completely change the way you speak English? Many beginners know grammar rules but still cannot speak confidently in daily life. Stay till the end, because today you will learn how daily use English sentences can improve your speaking, confidence, and fluency step by step. Chapter 1: Why daily use English sentences are important. Many English learners study grammar rules and memorize difficult vocabulary, but when they try to speak, they become silent. Why does this happen? Because knowing words is not enough. To speak English confidently, your brain needs useful daily sentences. Think about daily life. People usually speak with common expressions like, "How are you? What are you doing? I am busy," or "Can you help me?" These simple sentences are used again and again in real conversations. That is why learning daily use English sentences is very powerful for beginners. Remember this important truth. English becomes easier when your brain learns complete sentences instead of single words. When you practice full sentences, you also improve grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking confidence together. Another important thing is this: daily sentences help learners speak faster in real situations. For example, during shopping, traveling, meeting friends, or talking in class, useful English sentences make communication easier and more natural. Many learners know many English words but still cannot speak because they never practice real sentences. That is why sentence practice is so important. And here is something powerful. Every useful sentence you learn becomes a tool for real communication. At first, you may remember only a few sentences, but slowly, your speaking confidence becomes stronger. The more sentences you repeat and use daily, the more natural English starts feeling in your mind. But now comes an important question. How can beginners practice daily use English sentences effectively and remember them for a long time? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 2: Simple ways to practice daily use English sentences. Now, let's talk about simple ways to practice daily use English sentences. Learning sentences is important, but using them daily is even more important. Many learners memorize sentences from books or videos, but they never speak them aloud. Because of this, they forget quickly and feel nervous during real conversations. Remember this powerful truth: a sentence only becomes powerful when you use it in real speaking practice. One simple method is repetition. Choose a few daily English sentences and repeat them aloud many times. For example, how was your day? I am feeling tired. What time is it? Speaking these sentences again and again helps your brain remember them naturally. Another useful habit is reading aloud. Take a list of daily English sentences and read them slowly with a clear voice. This improves pronunciation and confidence together. You can also practice in front of a mirror. This helps reduce fear and makes you more comfortable speaking English. Another powerful method is using sentences during daily activities. For example, while eating, say, "I am having lunch." While studying, say, "I am doing my homework." This helps connect English with your real life. And don't forget voice recording. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English sentences. Then listen carefully and notice your pronunciation and speaking speed. Another important thing is keeping a notebook for useful sentences. Write simple expressions that you hear in videos or conversations. And remember, even 10 new sentences practiced daily can slowly improve your fluency. At first, speaking may feel uncomfortable, but with repetition and patience, your confidence will grow. But now comes another important question. How do listening and pronunciation help daily English sentences sound more natural and fluent? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter, Chapter 3: how listening and pronunciation improve daily speaking. Now let's talk about how listening and pronunciation can improve your daily English speaking. Many beginners try to speak English without listening enough. Because of this, their pronunciation feels unclear and unnatural. Remember this important truth: the more English you hear, the more naturally English comes into your mind. That is why listening practice is very important. Start listening to simple English conversations, beginner videos, or short daily dialogues. Focus on how people pronounce words and connect sentences together. Then, repeat the same sentences aloud. This method helps your brain and mouth work together. Another powerful technique is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a speaker and copying the sentence immediately after hearing it. Try to copy the pronunciation, tone, and speaking rhythm. At first, it may feel difficult, but slowly, your pronunciation becomes clearer and more natural. And remember, you do not need a perfect accent to speak good English. Your goal should be clear and confident communication. Another useful habit is listening to the same sentences many times. Repetition helps your brain remember pronunciation and sentence patterns faster. You can also use subtitles while watching English videos. First, listen and read together. Later, try listening without subtitles too. Imagine this moment. One day, simple English sentences start coming naturally from your mouth during conversations. That feeling builds strong confidence. And here is something powerful. Daily listening slowly trains your brain to think in English. But now comes the final secret. How can beginners stay consistent and speak English confidently without fear of mistakes? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter, Chapter 4: How to Stay Consistent and Speak English Confidently. Now comes the most important part of learning daily use English sentences: consistency and confidence. Many learners start practicing English with excitement, but after a few days, they stop because progress feels slow. But listen carefully. Fluency is built one sentence at a time. You do not need to learn everything in one day. Small daily practice creates big improvement over time. Another important thing is this: do not fear mistakes. Many beginners stay silent because they worry about grammar or pronunciation errors. But mistakes are a natural part of learning English. In fact, every mistake teaches you something new. Remember this powerful truth: the more you speak, the more confident you become. Another problem is comparison. Many learners compare themselves with fluent speakers online and feel discouraged. But you should focus on your own progress, not someone else's journey. If today you can speak a few sentences more confidently than before, that is improvement. And here is something very important: create a simple daily habit. Practice a few English sentences every morning or evening. Listen, repeat, read aloud, and use those sentences during your daily activities. Even 10 or 15 minutes of daily speaking can slowly change your confidence and fluency. One day, you will notice something amazing. Simple English sentences will start coming naturally from your mouth without fear. That moment will make you proud of yourself. So, stay patient, stay consistent, and keep practicing every day. Because confidence in English speaking grows through courage, repetition, and daily action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me which daily English sentence you use the most. I read every comment, and I will help you. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I will see you in the next video.